So this is how you can convert your PDF files into a Word file. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide. Today you will learn how to convert your PDF files into a Word file. So go ahead and open up your browser. It can be any browser. In my case, I am using Opera GX. And just go ahead and search PDF to Word. Once you search it up, you're going to see that there are a lot of websites that provide free PDF to Word converters. So go ahead and tap on whatever you want, maybe the first one or whatever catches your eye. So now what you're going to want to do is open up your files and then drop the PDF file into this box right here. Or you can go ahead and tap on select from device and then click on the file that you want to convert and it will convert it for you and then immediately download for you. So yeah, it's very simple actually. All you have to do is just type in PDF to Word and then there will be tons of websites that can help you convert your file. Now, if you want to convert Word to PDF, that's simple. Just simply type Word to PDF and more links will show up that can help you with your problem, that is converting Word to PDF. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.